Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Savage 38 from Geox Kids. No matter how rough your kid plays, these shoe can take them when they take them outside. This shoe is made with a very durable leather and synthetic upper. It's got dual hook and loop closure straps across the vamp there for a super secure fit. And it's got a pull tab on the tongue and the heel to help get the shoe on just a little bit easier. The inside of the shoe is a mesh lining that has plenty of breathable comfort, especially with that padding that's in the collar and the tongue that's going to hug the top and the back of the foot. It has a removable, comfortable insole that is super easy to clean. It's got perforation on it, so it's breathable as well. So to make sure that foot environment is very safe and antibacterial. It also has a reinforced toe bumper there that wraps to the bottom and on the back as well. It's going to help protect the shoe from any type of damage, and it's going to help protect their toes as well. It sits on this rubberized outsole, these deep lugs that are angled to be perfect for running around. And it's got this perforation there that allows any water and moisture to escape the shoe and go out the bottom, but it won't let any water come back up inside the shoe, so make sure that foot environment is very dry and comfortable. Get your kid plenty of fashion and comfort when you pick them up these great shoes today from Geox Kids.